In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a progress bar in Notion. Perfect for beginners looking to enhance their productivity and project management skills with this versatile tool. Notion is increasingly popular as a platform for organizing tasks, ideas, and numerous other types of data. One of the more visual and satisfying ways you can keep track of progression within projects is by using a progress bar. Today, we're going to learn how to create one. First, you're going to want to start by opening a database within Notion. This is essential because the progress bar will be created based on data stored within this database. If you're not familiar with databases, they are simply collections of data that are organized in a way that's easy to access and manage. So within Notion, you might have a database for tasks, projects, or any other data sets you need. Once you've opened or created your database, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout because we'll be adding components to it shortly. Next, you're going to add a formula property to the database. This step is crucial as it's going to be the backbone of our progress bar functionality. In Notion, formula properties allow you to perform calculations on your data directly within the database. All you need to do is click on the Add a Property option, select Formula, and give it a relevant name, perhaps something like Progress. Once you've set up your formula property, it's time to start programming the functionality of our progress bar. Here, we'll be using a simple formula, prop done/prop total. This formula is designed to take the number of items you've marked as done and divide it by the total number of items in the project, effectively giving you a fraction that represents your progress. Be sure that you have these properties done and total set up with your data, as they are integral to making this work. If you haven't set them up, now is a good time to do so. Finally, we want to take our numerical progress and display it in a more visual format like a percentage or bar. Within the formula property settings, you have the option to format the result of your formula. You can display the progress as a percentage by simply multiplying your result by 100 and appending it with a percentage symbol. Alternatively, if you prefer a more graphical representation, Notion allows you to visualize this number as a progress bar. Simply adjust the settings in the Display Format section to suit the visual presentation you're aiming for. So there you have it. By following these steps, you've added a progress bar to your Notion database, allowing for clearer and more efficient project management. This method not only makes your progress visually appealing, but also helps you stay organized and motivated. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.